everybody, Ashraf here from Ash English. Great to see you guys. Today I've got a grammar lesson for you guys. It's all about preposition. I've got a couple of lessons on preposition. Mastering preposition by. I've explained 24 ways to use preposition by. Try to watch them as much as you can. They'll be incredibly useful for you guys. Okay, let's not waste any more time. Let me strike it into the video. Okay? Today specifically, we're going to talk about something represented on an electronic device. Okay? Preposition on is used in lots of different ways. Today we focus on electronic devices. On computer, on laptop, on phone, on TV. Alright? Let's try to get into the lesson. Okay. Number 1, radio. Okay, on the radio. I heard it on the radio. On the radio. Next. Did you hear the interview with him on the radio? Next. We heard a lot of flood warnings on the radio. Next. I heard a good program on the radio last night. Next, TV. On TV. What's on TV tonight? On TV, not in TV. Okay? Next, we saw it on TV. Okay? Is there anything good on TV tonight? On TV. Okay? It was on TV yesterday. Next, Facebook. Are you on Facebook? On Facebook. They posted the picture on the team's Facebook page. Next, computer. Computer. The data is all held on computer. She was working on her computer. We've put all records on computer. Next, the information is stored on computer. On computer. He spends all day playing on his computer. Next, phone. Is Raymond still on the phone? We spoke on the phone. It's your mother on the phone. He's speaking on the phone. Next, website. I found this information on their website. Next, the video will be posted on our website later today. On our website. Next, YouTube. I started creating online video lessons on YouTube. On. Next, news. I saw it on the news. Next, did you see it on the news? Next, Internet. Internet. Is it possible to learn together on the internet? Next, I looked it up on the internet. Next, we do most of our shopping on the internet. They met on the internet. I often use the internet to find out information. Next, the information is available on the internet. Next, I read it on the internet. I read it on the internet. Next, disk. Disk, on disk. I always keep a backup copy on disk. The film was released on DVD last month. Do you have the file on disk? On disk. The information can be saved on a disk. On a disk. Tablet. We saw it on our tablet. Next, screen. A new icon will appear on your screen. Her picture appeared on the screen. On the screen. Next, we watched it on the big screen. On the big screen. Alright guys, that's it for today from me. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please smash the subscribe button and tap the notification. Cheers guys.